Ethics in AI. As we all engage with technology at the personal or professional front, it is important to understand the ethical challenges that AI poses. Human interactions with AI systems should be guard-railed by certain ethical policies. The influence of AI is unimaginable, and if ethics, morals, and values are lacking, there could be a great danger. The three laws of robotics introduced by science fiction writer Isaac Asimov in 1942 are among the first attempts to define ethical guidelines for the conduct of artificial intelligence. Isaac Asimov foresaw the potential dangers of autonomous AI agents and created the three laws of robotics as a means of limiting those risks. In Asimov's Code of Ethics, the first law forbids robots from actively harming humans or allowing harm to come to humans by refusing to act. This foundational principle sets the stage for ethical interactions between robots and humans. The second law orders robots to obey humans unless the orders are not in accordance with the first law. This ensures that obedience does not override the fundamental principle of not causing harm. The third law orders robots to protect themselves insofar as doing so is in accordance with the first two laws. Self-preservation is important, but it must not conflict with the preceding laws. Now that you have read about the three laws of robotics, let's look at what AI ethics involves. Ethics refers to the principles, values, morals, and beliefs that govern the development, deployment, and use of artificial intelligence systems. It involves examining the moral implications and potential risks associated with AI technologies and ensuring that they align with societal norms, human values, and the overall well-being of individuals and communities. Ethics are important at all stages of the AI system lifecycle, including research, development, implementation and evaluation, disassembly and termination. Researchers, lawmakers, programmers, universities, industries, etc. are all AI actors involved in implementing ethics in AI. After learning about what AI ethics involve, let's move on to the importance of rules in AI. The use of AI needs to be governed by certain rules to make sure it's used in a fair and safe way. AI systems should avoid bias and discriminatory reactions to people of different race, gender, age, disability, caste, socio-economic status, etc. It should be inclusive and diverse in its approach and always comply with international laws. There have been cases where AI systems show biases based on the skin color of people by identifying only white people and denying darker skinned people. This is because the data has been skewed towards white people, causing discrimination and bias. AI algorithms can be extremely complex. However, if a problem arises, teams should be able to trace the source of data, the resulting data, and understand what the algorithms do. The AI systems need to be explainable to users and experts so that there is trust and accountability. Transparency with regards to the sources of data, design, functionality, and intent will help mitigate doubts and problems in the future. Explainability means giving insights into the outcome of AI systems. However, there should be a fine line between transparency and data privacy, safety, and security. Safeguarding personal data and ensuring that AI systems respect individuals' privacy rights, while also protecting against cybersecurity threats and unauthorized access. Data infringement is a big concern, and legal aspects should be in place to curtail it. Identifying and mitigating potential risks and harms associated with AI technologies, particularly in critical domains such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and autonomous weapons, helps in ensuring safety. Clear lines of responsibility and accountability for AI system development, deployment, and decision making processes, including addressing issues of legal liability, need to be addressed and established. Consider the wider social implications of AI deployment, including its effects on employment, inequality, the distribution of benefits and risks in society. We also need to anticipate the future of AI and its impact on society. Challenging questions like, will AI replace humans? Will it have existential risk? Should be kept in mind while designing AI. Ethical guidelines, frameworks, and codes of conduct have been proposed by various organizations, institutions, and experts to guide the development and use of AI systems in an ethical manner. These initiatives aim to ensure that AI technologies are aligned with human values, promote social welfare, and contribute to a more equitable and sustainable future.